So we are in a spot today, and as you can see, there's our gear. I don't know if you can see it just yet, but I just want you to look at this. And, well, look at all that. It won't be up in the air much longer. The tap root is, well, it's got a good tap root, but all the roots on this side are already gone, and all you have left is on the bank side right there. So, year, 2 years, 5 years, it'll be down. So, all right, we are back where we started from. I came down here, I got everything ready. I don't know if you can see the fresh dirt, but I got some signals up in there on that bank. Come to find out, it was nails. So what we're going to do, and you can see sort of how part of the creek's up here, part of the creek's down over here, and there's cans everywhere. So, you know, we were really fortunate on that dry creek bed 2 weeks ago. But this is a different this is a different kind of beast. As you can see right here, a lot of the sediment. I mean, look at that sediment. I mean, that's almost 2 foot of just fine gravel. And then, you know, we've got iron like this, iron all through here. So, you know, we'll probably hunt about, I would say, we'll do 3 to 5 miles. That shouldn't be too bad. But, all right, I'll get back with you if I find something. This was about 2 inches under this pebble / sand. I think it's a modern bullet. Is that better? I think it's a modern bullet. I don't think it's an old bullet. But numero uno. And in this area right here, we've got a few more pinpoint signals. So let's see what we get. Came up on another cool spot. Look at that. I'm really unsure what this is. Find it right there. I don't know if it's just flat iron. It looks like it's got a stud here, or in something there. No, but if anybody recognizes it, let me know.